Yug, nabog na bubbles. Oh. Sika, ayun. Galing ni Louie. Oh, nagsiswimming and go. Oh, go. Oh, padya ka pa. Ganyan, bubbles. Bubbles. Ayun, ang galing. Malakas. Yo, oh, napapalbugan. Tignan mo, bebe. Ayun, natakbo sa tubig. Natakbo na sa tubig si Louie.
You can meditate.
Oh.
But it is always right and nice that we are always together. Because
Hi!
Padyak. Oh, dali. Ayun. Hay mo kay Daddy, hay. Galing, napadyak.
And this is what he says when he said, when two or three are gathered in my name, I am in the midst of them. So nagsama-sama po ang mga tao, nandun ang biyaya.
Hi!
Nandun siya. Mararamdaman natin. Of course, it is not wrong to pray alone. Kaya lang, huwag natin sabihin na ako ay devoted to the prayers.
Ayun, galing. Lalakas.
With the community. And then, and experience.
Wink.
This is what Jesus did. And when he saw Thomas, ano ba sinabi niya kay Thomas?
Mayo ka lang.
You want to see the scars on my hand, on my hands, and the deep wound on my side? Ilagay mo ang iyong mga kamay.
Padyak ang paa. Padyak ang paa. Yan.
Alam niyo mga kapatid,
Pagod na.